Is it normal for acrylic caulk to dissolve? I didn't want to purchase a new shower door kit, as we plan on remodeling the bathroom in the next 5 or so years, so I had to deal with the horrible old existing sliding doors and track. The bottom track is not just an edge with a small guide for the hanging doors. It has 2 tracks that run its entire length. It is a pain to clean as the shower enclosure is not quite level, so water accumulates on the low side. Below is an image similar to the style of bottom track. I drilled an additional drain hole to allow more water out near the low side, but I still have to deal with the joint between the track and the vertical side piece. I didn't want to mess with silicone sealant, as the cleanup is a pain, so I used Ace Hardware brand tile and tub acrylic caulk, which has worked great around the sinks in my kitchens and bathrooms. I let the caulk cure for 3 days, as stated on the tube, and I noticed that in that low corner where water is standing for many hours after taking a shower, it is dissolving. Any thoughts on why this is happening? Is this to be expected? Will silicone stick to the acrylic caulk? Can I dry it out and use silicone on top of the corner now to get me by for several years? Would a marine epoxy be a better solution in that corner? Question from user Evil Elf at Stack Exchange. Answer: acrylic caulks and paints, etc. are water-based. If you can clean them up easily with water, then that's a pretty good sign that they are water-soluble. Your caulk should be waterproof if fully cured. If you applied the caulking very thick, or if the temperature is cool, it could take longer than the specified time to cure. Also, I don't think these are designed to be used in a situation of standing or pooling water. Will silicone stick to the acrylic caulk? Can I dry it out and use silicone on top of the corner now to get me by for several years? Would a marine epoxy be a better solution in that corner? You should have used 100% silicone. If you can find an epoxy that is flexible, then that might also be an option. That joint should not be solid rigid. Since you don't want to redo it, you should wait longer to see if it is just not fully cured. If still no good, you can try silicone over the acrylic caulk to help prevent it from dissolving. However, since that is just going to be a thin layer instead of a full bead, it will be hard to guarantee a good seal. Answer from user Ryan Winchester at Stack Exchange.